Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to replace the oil level sensor on BMW 318i E46. The procedure is similar for most E46 models. The oil level sensor is located on the oil pan. It's located right there. The oil level sensor is held by 3 nuts and an electrical connector, but before removing it, first we need to drain the oil. After the oil is drained, next we're going to remove the electrical connector, and then we're going to remove the 3 nuts holding the oil level sensor. Now that the nuts are removed, we're going to pull out the oil level sensor and replace it with a new one. This is the new oil level sensor and this is the part number for it. Now we're going to put it on. There is an O-ring on the oil level sensor. First make sure you lubricate it before putting it on. Now we're going to tighten the 3 nuts and put the electrical connector back on. Afterwards we're going to fill the engine with oil. And that's how you replace the engine oil level sensor. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.